Hello friends, welcome to Slide Hunt. In this tutorial or in this series of tutorials, we are going to introduce you the concept of data structure. Data structure is one of the important subjects in computer science and engineering. In this tutorial, we will learn what is data structure and where we use data structure. But before this, you must know what is data. A data is nothing but information or collection of information. In computer system, everything is considered to be as a data. For example, a video, it is a data. An audio, it is a data. Images, it is also a data. So everything in computer system is considered to be a data. But their type is different. Some are audio, some are video, some are integer, some are character, etc. According to their type, we store, access and organize them in different way. For example, if we want to store the age of a person, then we need to declare an integer type variable. But if we want to store the name of a person, then we need to declare a character type variable. Computer work with a large number of data. And to access a data quickly, we need to organize them properly. And this is called data structure. So the formal definition is a data structure is a particular way of storing and organized data in a computer so that it can be used efficiently. When we study data structure as how to organize and store, we study them in two ways. One is mathematical and logical model. When we talk about mathematical and logical model, we just look at the abstract view of them. Abstract view means we are concerned only with what the data is representing, not with how it will be constructed. To get it clearly, let's see a real life example. For example, we can say electric fan. The abstract view of this device is, it is an electric device which has turned on and turned off capacity, and when electric flow, it can move. When we see abstract view, we don't worry how the circuit is designed or which company make this device. So these are the abstract view of this device. There is a term to define abstract view, it's called abstract data type, or in short it is called ADT. The formal definition of abstract data type is, an abstract data type is a logical description of how we view the data and the operations without regard to how they will be implemented. And the second way of studying data structure is implementation. Implementation is concrete types, not abstract data type. For example, we can say stack. We can perform two operations on stack. One is push and another is pop. These are the abstract view of stack. But when we write a code for push or pop operation using C, C++ or any other programming language, then it is called implementation. Next is data structure are classified as linear and non-linear. Linear data structure means elements are stored in a sequence. Example of linear data structure are array, stack, linked list and queue. Nonlinear data structure means elements are not stored in a sequence. Nonlinear data structures are tree, graph, etc. We study all these data structure in our upcoming lesson one by one. When we study this data structure, we study their logical view. We study the operations that are available with this data structure. We study the complexity of the operation, mainly in terms of time. And then finally we study their implementation in a programming language. That's it. This was about the introduction to data structure. Next tutorial we will learn about linear arrays. Thanks for watching. To watch more videos, please subscribe this channel Slide Hunt. You can like my Facebook page at www.facebook.com/slidehunt, and you can follow me on Google Plus at www.google.com/+slidehunt.